What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys the best gutter guard out there, how to install it so that you never have to clean your gutters again. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So today I'm going to show you guys the best product to protect your gutters and no longer have to clean it ever again. This system here is one of the easiest and most simple ones out there, but it's also the most effective. So you're going to have it done right the first time and you're not going to have to clean your gutters ever again. So there's only a couple different components here. We've got our little trim pieces here that will attach to the gutter, and these ones here come in a range of different colors so you can get it to match your gutters. They also come with some screws, once again matching with the trim, and the only other thing that we're going to need here is our stainless steel mesh. So this stainless steel mesh here comes in a range of colors, once again, to match your roof tiles, whether it's a tiled roof, meaning cement tiles, or it's a metal roof. They've got different attachments that can allow you to put this on metal roofs as well. So this here is going to be one of the best systems. There's a lot of different companies out there that sell this style. The company that I've bought this one here from today is from Gutter Guard Direct, and I paid $370 for 40 meters of Gutter Guard product. So this one here is going to do the whole house, and I'm going to quickly show you guys how to install it. The first thing you need to do is simply clean off your gutters and also the roof tiles, because this one here will be attached over the first row of roof tiles. So just quickly blow all that mess out of the gutters and then we can get started on installation. So take your mesh, simply roll it out, starting from one side, and just follow that gutter line all the way across. So all you need to do is just have your mesh in line with the edge of the gutter and roll that all the way across. So once you've got your mesh rolled out all the way along the edge of the gutter, this is what it ends up looking like. I've got a temporary screw on the start and on the end just to hold it in place. So then you can take the trim, it slides over the edge of the mesh here, you push that up against the gutter and everything locks in nicely. Put a couple screws in there and everything holds on. So we've got this first section here started on this side, and you can see we've got a bit of overhang there on the edge of the tile. We'll clean that up right at the end, but for now we're just going to push this mesh up, get it all nicely lined up with the edge of the gutter. Every 250 mil or so, put a screw in, and just continue along all the way until you get up to your next piece. Now, with the next piece, you want to simply take your next piece. This has a little protective strip on here, or a protective tape on there, so just make sure you peel that there off. Now with this section here, you want to just overlap your previous side, push it up against it, and then simply put in another screw. And continue along. It's a very simple and easy, but very, very effective system. I'm going to continue along the whole run of this gutter here, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So once all the trim's been installed from one end to the other, this is what it ends up looking like. What we need to do now is put some relief cuts up on top here so that we can actually tuck that in under the second row of tiles. So I'll quickly show you guys how to cut this and then tuck it in under your tiles. So to tuck this section here underneath the tiles, you need to put some relief cuts up on top. But if you do it right now, it's going to be a little bit long. So what you want to do is just simply trim that down just a little bit. It's going to make life much easier, and I'll show you guys why in a second. A little bit hard to do with one hand here. So just a little section here to show you guys what I mean. So if we put some relief cuts, about 3 per tile, then what you can do is lift the tiles up by hand, or if you like, you can use a pry bar and makes things much easier. Slide that underneath, lift it up, and tuck your mesh in underneath. Move it across and do the same thing. And you'll notice that if you did leave the tags a little bit too long, it's going to make things very hard to get that in, especially when you're doing it on your own. If you find that you've got a little bit of slack here and you want to make it a bit tighter, you can lift up the tiles once again. So we'll lift this side here up. What we'll do is we'll push on the gutter, drop down the tiles, and then take the slack off. That'll keep everything nice and tight there. So we're going to continue this all the way along until we get to the other side. So once it's all done, this here is what it ends up looking like. Simple little concept, perfect little finish, and this one here is going to prevent any debris from getting in those gutters and you'll never have to clean it again. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.